Hi guys, welcome to DIY Glam by Jazz. This is kind of like a series. I'm doing a makeover in my bedroom. I started with the bed and I have other videos planned to share with you guys. But on this video, I want to show you how we created this wall art. And you will see that it's 3 different canvas. I'm going to show you how I did it. And it was pretty easy to do. And you guys could get creative and use the colors you like to use. So I'm going to show you exactly the ones that I did. So we're going to go ahead and get started. So to start, we needed some canvas and I started to look around to see which one was the best deal. And I was surprised that the one that was six pack was almost the same price as if I would have purchased 2 or 3. So this was the best deal. I waited until I saw it on special. I was able to use a coupon and I purchased this on Michael's. The amount you will need depends on the size of the wall art you want to create. Since we're putting this right on top of our header from our bedroom set, 3 was the perfect size. So here they are, all 3 of them. We started with 2, put them face down, flush them together, and now we want to make sure that they're sturdy. So adding 2 screws on each side was the best fit for us. In order to know which screw was going to fit perfectly, we tried 2 different sizes and we went with the one that did not go completely off. So we chose the smallest screw. So what we did, we first did the hole and then we applied the screw. That way it kind of protects the wood. So we added 2 on these 2 canvas and then we added 2 more on the other side. So here is the final look, all 3 of them together. One tip I will give you guys that I wish I would have done it was adding some tape or something in between the gap. You don't notice it at much, but once you put the contact paper, I don't know, maybe it's just me, but I prefer that it was a little bit more flush. So on the other side where each of them meet, maybe put some tape or something to make it more smoother. So when you put the contact paper right on top, you don't notice where one canvas starts and the other one begins. So here is the contact paper I purchased. I'm gonna provide the link right below. I purchased this in Amazon, and the good thing is that they have different colors and different, almost that marble look, but different colors. I think that might work best for you. This one I thought was pretty nice when I saw it, and I think it's pretty nice too. We could leave it as is, but of course I needed to glam it up. So what we did, we put the canvas right underneath, we put the contact paper right on top, and I do like that it had a line, so it made it so much easier to cut because I want to make sure that that is super precise. We did leave extra for both sides, for both ends, just to make sure that we're able to tuck that paper in, and we still have so much extra to go. So now that this is ready to go, all we have to do is peel off that tape. I will let you know that the adhesive of the contact paper is not that sturdy, but it will do, and it did make it a lot easier to remove the back paper. And then when we did that, we tried to line up the contact paper with the canvas and to make sure that it was even on both of the sides. So once you put that, you continue smoothing it out and making sure that it's completely straight. So once you start folding, you will know if it's a little off. And if it is, you could just pick it up pretty easily and continue making sure that it's super straight and even. So once it's even on the top, we start then bending the side parts as you see in the video, continue to making it smooth and folding it to the size of the canvas. So here comes the fun part. In this case, all I needed was two thin brush. These are makeup brushes you could just find at Walgreens from Wet n Wild. I use different acrylic paint. I use white acrylic paint. I also use silver, the one that you see in the video right now. And I also use Mod Podge. All three work perfectly for this technique. The technique is just going over the veins of the contact paper. You could leave the contact paper how it is right now, or you could guys glam it up, which is exactly what I wanted to do. Add some silver, add some glitter, depending on the colors you guys like. You guys could get super creative, but because I'm always going with the silver tone, that's why you will see me using silver acrylic paint and silver glitter. I use fine glitter, which is in silver color, and I also use a more not so fine glitter to give it more dimension. And then at the end you will see that I added a touch of gold, since I have a little bit of those gold papers extra, and I wanted to use it on this wall art. So the fun part is just start in one corner. I wanted to fill it out, create some shadow effects on the veins, and then make the strokes a little bit thicker in the center. And that's exactly what you're going to be seeing me do throughout the video. So here I'm going to show you another part of the canvas. I continue doing this technique. Either I do it pretty thin lines or thicker lines in this case, since you will see this decoration in the contact paper 2 or 3 times in the canvas. So I'm not going to continue doing a voiceover so you guys get to see exactly how I did it. I hope you guys appreciate and like this video. Let me know in the comment section if you are interested in doing something similar. If you have done something similar, let me know. Thank you for your support. I hope you continue enjoying the video. I am so happy I shared with you guys this DIY wall art. It was super easy to do and you guys could just get creative, and I really love seeing this piece right on top of our headboard, and I wanted to share with you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, let me know just by giving a like, and I welcome you to subscribe to my channel. So thank you so much guys for watching this video, and until the next video, bye.